So we have this Char-Griller grill that we use all the time. The grill is actually still in really good condition, but our ash pan needed to be replaced. So we got this one. I will say this one fits most Char-Grillers, but you might check the model that you have and make sure that it will work for your Char-Griller, because I think there's a couple that it won't work for. But this one actually is a good size. I like that it's like welded really good so it doesn't slip around and move. And then also this is made of like a porcelain coated steel. So it heats evenly all the way through. Actually, I think this one's probably better than the original one that we had. It comes with these little hangers on the side so you can easily lift it up and move it or whatever you need to do. But it's very solid, very good. We haven't had any problems with it. I just thought I would show it to you if you're looking for a replacement so you don't have to get another grill. We've been very satisfied with this one.